Hello, viewers. So, how is everything going on in life? I hope everything is fine. Today, I will do perimeter and area again with you. As you know, guys who have been following me on this channel, you must be aware that I have done lots of sums on perimeter and area, and I would request you to kindly stay updated with all my videos. And for that, what you need to do is subscribe my channel. Yes, please subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and keep supporting this channel. Okay, so let's begin with perimeter and area. I've come with a very exciting problem. Now this is a problem that you can see on the screen. This problem is quite simple, but there are many students who have issues with such kind of sum. So today I will tell you how to solve this sum instantly, very easily. So here the question says a rectangular plot of land is 40-meter long and the cost of leveling is given, that is the total cost we have, that is 8320. So what I will do is I will do it with unitary method. Now rupees 8 is the cost of leveling 1 meter square, so I will write rupees 8 is the cost of, per means 1, so I will find out how much is the total area. So if rupees 8 is the cost of leveling 1 meter square, okay, here it says that in order to level this rectangular plot, the entire cost incurred was 8320 and the rate was 8 rupees per meter square. So rupees 8 is the cost of leveling 1 meter square and the total expense, as you can see, is 8320. So I will write rupees 8320 is the cost of leveling 1 by 8 into 8320. This is the unitary method. Guys, I know children, you must have done this kind of unitary method sum in your junior classes. So the same thing I'm going to repeat here. Very simple. So in this way I can find the total area. So 1 by 8 into 8320. So 1 divided by 8 into 8320. So that means 8320 has to be divided by 8. So once you divide 8320 by 8, you get the total area. And when area is given and along with the area, if you have length or breadth given, it is very simple to find the rest of the unknown variables. So the same thing we will do here is I have cancelled it, as you can see on the screen. So I have got the total area, that is 1040 meters square. So 1040 meters square is the total area of this rectangle. So I will write area. I have got 1040 and the length is given, that is 40. Now you can easily find the breadth. Whenever area is given and either length or breadth is given, so how you can find the other one? By dividing that. So area is 1040 meter square. In the next step I will write length is equal to 40 meter. So area divided by length is equal to breadth. Similarly, area divided by breadth is equal to length. Do not get confused. Just remember this, if you divide area by length, you always get the breadth. So a breadth I will find. The first part of my question is done. My first part was to find the breadth of the plot. I have done it very easily. Breadth is always equal to area by length. Once you find the area, I will write capital A for area. Area is often denoted by capital A. So area by breadth is equal to length. So here you get, you hear in the question I have the length given, so area divided by length is equal to breadth. If you have breadth given, so area divided by length is equal to breadth. If you have to find length, so area by breadth is equal to length. Okay, so here we will divide this whole thing, and 1040, if you divide by 40, how much do you get? 26. So I've got the breadth 26 meter. It's very interesting, very simple. this kind of sum often comes in exam, and if your basic concept is clear about this leveling and how many tiles are required, these kind of sum you always get in exam. So remember children, this is the procedure you have to follow. So you have got the breadth as 26 meter. Now the next part of my question says the cost of fencing the plot, and 1 meter cost is 27.5. So in this case what I have to do, I have to find the perimeter of the entire rectangular plot. So I will write perimeter, that is P is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. This how I have framed the formula. If you want to understand them, if you do not want to mug up the formulas and get confused with them, please watch my previous video on this chapter, perimeter and area, and there you will see how I have taught simple ways to frame the formula yourself instead of mugging them up. So 2, this is the formula, 2 into a length plus breadth. So length was already given in the question, so instead of, in place of length, I'll substitute the value that was given, 40, and breadth I've got 26. So 40 plus 26 is 66. 66 into 2 is 132 meter. So I have got the total perimeter 132 meter, and since the cost of fencing, the cost of fencing here it says a 27.5. So same method I will go. The 1 meter cost is 27.5. Cost of, now I won't write like this, cost of, I will write 1 meter plot cost rupees 27.5. and how much, what is the total plot or the perimeter of the plot, that is 132. So in the next step I will write 132 meter plot cost rupees 27.5 into 132. So 132 into 27.5, once you multiply these two, you are there with the answer. So I hope you are ready, you are doing this along with me, and this is so simple. Just multiply 132 with 27.5 and you get the second part of the answer. The second part of the answer, if you multiply this, you will get rupees 3630, 3630. So this is my answer, and I rupees 3630, and I will again request you to let me know your problems in this subject, be whichever chapters you are having problem with. Do mention it in your comment section, so that during this lockdown period you do something good, you do some development in this subject and begin to like this. So stay safe, remember to take all the necessary precautions, and do not neglect your studies. Till then, stay safe and have a good day.